So hi, let's talk about RA 9048 as amended. So this law allows the administrative correction of the certificate of live birth. So why am I discussing this? Because we have clients here in the law firm. They are seeking legal advice on how to correct their certificate of live birth. But upon checking their live birth, the errors are just clerical in nature, meaning nasayop lang ang spelling sa pangalan, nakuwangan ang spelling sa pangalan, or walay na appeal sa pangalan, or na-omit ang ihang pangalan. So these are just clerical or typographical errors only. And RA 9048 as amended does not require you to file a petition in court. So meaning you don't need to hire a lawyer for this. You just have to go to the local civil registrar where your certificate of live birth was issued. You file the petition there and not in court. So when you say typographical errors or clerical errors, it means na nasayop lang spell out sa imong name, sa imong certificate of live birth, either nakuwangan letter or nasubrahan letter, or totally nasayop gyud ang imuhang pangalan, ang imong first name sa imong certificate of live birth. Ngano kinahanglan nato ma-determine kung typographic or clerical error. Because if the error that you want to change is substantial, meaning kanang maka-affect sa imong status as a child, either your legitimacy or your illegitimacy, or your relationship to your father or your parent or your filiation, then you cannot avail RA 9048. What you need to do now is to file a petition in court. So you need to hire a lawyer for that, because the error sought to be corrected in your certificate of live birth is substantial and not merely clerical or typographical. If we were able to establish nga sayop lang ang spelling sa imong pangalan or nasayop lang input sa imong pangalan sa imong certificate of live birth, ang imong next buhaton is you go to the local civil registrar kung asa gi-issue imong certificate of live birth. Now, if you already migrated or transferred to another place, so for example, if you are from Manila and you transferred to Cebu City and the LCR who issued your certificate of live birth is in Manila, and it's impractical for you to go back to Manila, then the law allows you to file your petition before the LCR here in Cebu City. So pwede na siya. You don't need to go to Manila para mo kuha sa mong certificate of live birth and you file your petition there. You don't need to do that because it's impractical on your part. So pwede nimo i-file na diri sa Cebu City. So saan nimo pag-file sa mong petition? So under the law, your petition must be subscribed and sworn to. So ipanotaryuhan nimo ang imong petition, and you also submit supporting documents. So you submit your certified true copy of the PSA or of your certificate of live birth, the one that you want to be corrected. Also, other documents such as an affidavit of two disinterested person, or any other documents such as your school records, government IDs that will show or that reflects your correct name. So you attach those in your petition and submit it to the local civil registrar. So pila may bayran nimo pag-file nimo petition sa LCR? Well, under the law, it says that the local civil registrar may collect reasonable fees in accepting the petition. So last time, I think that was 1,000 to 2,000 pesos ang pag-file petition before the LCR. So it actually depends. It's a case-to-case basis. So I think that's it. And this is Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.